Hello, this is Professor Salahat again, and here we will go over um, another example of how to do or how to find the confidence interval for population mean when sigma is known. And in this second example, we will try to work with an example where we are given data. And this is the example. So let's see how we handle that. It says in here, we want to estimate the mean salary for an RN in Ohio. Again, we surveyed 12 nurses, so that is N. At random, and it's very important that we use random. You don't ask your friends when you do a survey. And the responses are in thousands of dollars. So the first nurse is making 46,000, then 28,000, then 52,000, 49,000, 65,000, 42,000, 61,000, 40,000. We come down in here, we continue 36,000, 39,000, 48,000, and 60,000. We are asked to construct a confidence interval using 95% confidence level. So to do that, we're going to use StatCrunch. We're not going to use work by hand because what if we are talking about 2,000 nurses? That will be so difficult. That's the reason why technology is required. So the first thing we need to do is we need to open StatCrunch and copy the data under variable 1. So you go ahead and open StatCrunch. Then after that, you just, again, here is StatCrunch. It's small screen in here. You just go and type your data in. Usually in some math problems, when you do the homework, there is a small window, looks like this, next to a table. You click on it, and below that it says copy into StatCrunch. If you have that, that's great. If not, you just copy it by hand. So you're going to get the list of data under variable 1. Then the next step will be is to go in here and try to construct the table as we mentioned. So the steps are you press the stat key, then you go down to Z stat. This is a Z stat. Then after that, one sample, and you select with data. The reason why we select with data because this is data there. This is not, they didn't tell me what the mean is. They gave me data. So to do that, you follow those steps, and then again, so here's what we are doing. Let me just show you what we are doing in here. Let me make this large for you to see. That's exactly what I did. I go to stat, Z stat. Again, look in here. I go to stat, Z stat. And then we're going to go to one sample with data. When we do that, this second screen will pop up, and you're going to see variable 1 under select columns. Click on variable 1, and the variable 1 appears there. Then you go down to the window there where it says the confidence level is. You select the confidence level, and you put the 95%. Then after that, you press the compute. And when you do all of that, this is the result we get. Actually, this table here is good because it will give me also the mean of the sample. And this is, by the way, is X bar. And it also is going to give me the left limit and the right limit. So this is the confidence interval. It's going to be 40.92 and 53.41 if we decide to round it to the nearest hundredth. And notice that those are in thousands of dollars. So this is what we can come and say as a conclusion. We really do not know, and nobody knows what is the mean salary of all nurses in the state of Ohio. Nobody knows, okay? Because to do that, you have to go and ask every single nurse, and that's an impossible task. So what we can do is we can do a survey, and that's what we did. And based on this survey, and we use a confidence level of 95%, based on this survey, we can say that we are 95, or we can say that we are 95%. I forget to put in here that the word confident. So we are 95% confident that the mean, remember, we're not talking about, we're talking about the mean. The mean salary or average salary of an RN in Ohio is between, and again, since those are in thousands in there, we're going to say between 40,920. And again, if you have to multiply every, like 40.92, if you multiply it by 1,000, because everything in thousands is going to give you that number, and the same thing with the other number. So we can say that we are 95% confident that the mean or average RN salary in the state of Ohio is between $40,920 and $53,410. By the way, this is just an example. I did not really do the survey, so I'm just making an assumption, and I can be 100% wrong on my assumption. So if we want to know the truth, we have to go physically and do a survey. I'm going to stop here, and we'll continue with another video at another time.